Alright, now we're at this waterfall. Well, not now, but we just got here. It's like 20 minutes from where we live in Little Dothan. Yeah, I mean, it's a really cool waterfall, but then again, it's a very small waterfall. But it's pretty cool. And I can hear the water coming off of the rocks and everything, but you guys can't, sadly, because, you know, because the Rode mic that I have is like $100 and you just plug it in your camera and it works. The Rode mic that I really want is the one that's battery powered and you have to charge it and everything. It's $200, but it's got a lot better sound quality. Also, expect some big things coming in the future. Got a bunch of YouTube and film and movie stuff coming along perfectly. So it's really cool. Also, I'm here with Katie and with Will. Just clearing up a little path. Katie's over there. What's up, Will? He's still camera shy a little bit. But yeah, this is the waterfall. You're stupid.
Stop! I'm not tripping. Stop! Stop!
Can you guys shut up? I swear no one listens to me. Over here bickering and just arguing. That's all they ever do. Oh, I almost fell. Yeah, it's pretty cool. You sure you want to chance it? Your clumsiness with these rocks and water.
Wait, where are we going? How do you get down there?
Oh, you have to go down that part over there. Yeah. Alright. Now I'm about to cut this video and get some B-roll of the waterfall. So yeah, I'll see you in a minute. Alright, I got some pretty cool B-roll of the waterfall. If I get this video uploaded soon, which hopefully I can, you know, get it edited and everything, yeah, I'll upload it and hopefully it'll have some nice, crispy, slow B-roll shots. If you don't know what B-roll is, then it's the cinematics people take of like movement that's really slow on like a certain thing. Yeah, that's basically it. I gotta walk down all of this with the camera, so yeah, I'll come back when I'm done.